Hello guys, and in this video I'll show you how to use one-handed mode on this Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Let's get started. And firstly, we need to activate this feature. For this, let's open Settings and search for this Advanced Features tab. And now you can activate one-handed mode just by tapping on this switcher. And if you tap on this section, you would be able to choose gestures or buttons to trigger this mode. So if you choose gestures, then you would need to swipe down from this home button to activate this mode. And here it is. So you can use it as you would normally do, but now the screen is much more smaller. You can also move it to the left side by tapping this arrow. You can also swipe up from this line to move it higher or lower just by swiping on this line. And let's switch to buttons now. For this, I'm gonna open Settings as before, and now just switch to buttons. So now to trigger this mode, you would need to double tap this home button. And here it is. So it is really handy when you wanna type a message just using your one hand. And to exit this mode, you just need to simply tap any free space of the screen. And that's it. To disable it, just return to the settings and tap on the switcher once more to disable this one-handed mode. And that's all for now. Hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.